Hello, guys, and welcome to Just Do It. So, on the last episode, I told you guys that I was gonna show you how my car sounds. So, currently, I can only film it the startup, give it some revs, but hopefully, if you guys like and want a follow up, I will show you some flybys, maybe um, how it performs. We will see that later. But like I said, for now we just the startup, and I have some short clips when I pick up the car from the body shop after my exhaust has been done of him speeding away, so from 0 to 40 miles per hour, something like that. But I hope you enjoy the video, and if you wanna see some flybys, let me know in the comments below. See you on the next.